Good morning, coffee drinkers. We're filming this morning from Orlando, Florida. I'm Hallie Zobel. I'm one of the attorneys at Private Corporate Counsel, a law firm located in Orlando since 1995. Have you heard about the probate process? What does it mean? That's what we're going to discuss today. In its simplest form, probate is the word that describes the legal process by which, after someone dies, an individual goes to court to administer their estate, their affairs. There's an administration that takes place, and we go to the court where the decedent lived or was domiciled during his lifetime. Our talk this morning is just a quick overview of the process. There's so much to delve into, and I'll probably do some follow-up coffee law moments to discuss further aspects, but due to time constraints, we're going to keep it very limited. Usually, the purpose of probate is as follows: to pay any creditors that are rightfully owed money and determine who the heirs are, and to pay taxes. And if there's a will, the state of Florida is going to absolutely follow that will to make sure that the person's intentions are followed and to figure out who the heirs are. If there's not a will, the state of Florida is going to tell us who the heirs are. In Florida, the guy in charge is named a personal representative. Some of you coffee drinkers out there grew up north, and you know the term executor. It's the same person. Some states use the term executor, and some states use the term personal representative. When a potential client calls my office to tell me a loved one has died, many times the first question they ask is there going to be a probate process? Well, I'm unable to answer that question. I wish I could answer the question, then I'd be a mentalist. The reality is, I don't have enough information to answer that question. That's why we ask you to make an appointment, come in to see us, and complete a questionnaire, which answers a lot of questions for me. And then I'm able to determine if a probate process is necessary. I want to say that it's analogous to calling the dentist. When you call the dentist and tell her your tooth hurts, what is the diagnosis? She can't answer that question. You need to make an appointment, come in and see her. She looks in your mouth, and then she gives you a diagnosis. Probate is a process. Usually it is not quick. You must be patient, and there can be roadblocks or detours along the way, but there's a purpose to it. Florida is strict with the process. Why? They want to protect your interest and the decedent's wishes and intent, and make sure the property goes to the charities or the individuals it's supposed to go to. This is good news for all of us, and I'm glad that we have these laws in place. This is our last filming of the year. It is December 12th, 2023, and I want to wish all of you coffee drinkers a wondrous holiday season and a fantastic new year in 2024. Look for us come January. Thank you. Remember, I can always be reached at hzobel@pcc.law or Private Corporate Counsel telephone number 407-647-7887.